Alrighty, what is going on, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel for another market update. Hope everybody's having a lovely day. And with that being said, let's get into the darn stankin' TA. Guys, breakout today, FOMC, big move up. Let's talk about it. All right, we're going to start off here on SPY. I am actually just going to give a sneak peek at the weekly candlestick that is forming. We will have decreasing volume on the week. I can almost guarantee you are not going to see that. Please. Okay, if you guys hear a squeak toy, it is the little pupper. That is Micah having fun with her little elephant. So sorry about that, but I'm not going to tell her not to squeak her little elephant. She can have the time of her life. Guys, weekly breakout here. Over this, 2.5 week long range we got going on here. You will have decreasing volume by the time tomorrow closes, but I am just going to suggest that, guys, tomorrow, this suggests that we're probably going to either consolidate right here or we're going higher tomorrow. We do have increasing volume on the day. I do expect us to go higher tomorrow, but I'm just going to tell you guys my two scenarios right here. All right. Either you're going to consolidate for the next move up. Well, this is the next move up. This is the leg. I've been trying to tell you guys. The charts did not suggest we're going to get a sell. If you want to get really perma bearish at the bottom, I may look like a perma bull, but I'll tell you right now, I'm really just looking at the charts. Guys, when you got things like this, it makes no sense to just keep falling off a cliff. It does not make sense. It did not make sense. It still does not make sense. It makes sense that we're seeing a reversal right here before our eyes on some of these names. All right. So top focus right here, AMD. Guess what we also got going on today? All right. You want to catch something out? You can catch this bad boy right here. Got the daily breakout yesterday. Today, perfect entry. Break and retest. Respect the break and retest. Right there. And you've literally ended up seeing this thing run all day. And I'm just going to point out that this thing suggests it's going to keep on going after printing this candlestick. I will point out it is off of decreasing volume, but we have gotten the breakout yesterday. We have gotten the follow through today. Yes, I am looking for now these blue levels to be hit. Now, we will have a break and retest going on right here at the supply zone. That is going to be right over here at 179.25. That is where that starts. It's going to be the low of this candlestick right here. Look for sellers at 179.25. But what we are really looking for in the end is a retracement to this whole entire move, which means we are coming up to 186, baby. That is what we're looking at. All right, this 187.35 level, that's going to be the low of this candlestick. That is, final target over here on Mr. Apple. And then, yeah, I do think you're going to get moving and grooving back to the upside. I don't know if this is going to be just a retracement or not, but I'm looking for that move right there. Okay, back over to SPY. Now, you do know what we're looking at. We're looking at either consolidation or we're looking at the continuation. Guys, the thing just broke out. I don't think you're going to get your rug pull that you thought was going to happen, bud. I just don't think it's going to happen. So all the people who decide to roast me because you thought a rug pull was going to happen, guess what? Now you're probably not going to say anything. That's fine. That's fine. QQQ, bull flag, bull pennant, breakout. That's what we're rocking with. And yeah, I do think we are going to be going higher. We're going to skip the daily time frame on this bet. Well, we'll visit the daily time frame right here. All right, you did not have that increasing volume, but guys, you have a fresh breakout. I highly doubt this thing is not going to push back up to the high. So let's go over what we're watching here on the hourly time frame. Now, as you see, you have that green little circle right here because we're pulling back, guys. I'm expecting this dip to be bought. 15-minute time frame does not have a bearish divergence yet, and if you continue higher tomorrow, like if you open how you're opening right now, I'm just saying gap up is very likely tomorrow. You open with that gap up, you're going to see the 15-minute RSI get all the way up here, and then guys, we're looking for even more upside. I'm not looking for any downside. I'm not looking for that pullback, we'll call it. I'm not going to call it downside. I'm going to call it a pullback because, quite frankly, I think this is the leg that I've been talking about. I told you guys we had the catalyst. Things were setting up to be bullish off this. I didn't need to hear what Powell was saying. And you got things like AMD going into the event doing what it was doing. Guys, it's not going to keep falling off a cliff. You can go back a very long time when it puts these things in. It kind of, has a big bounce. You can keep going back. All right? You can keep going back. When it puts in your bullish divergence, when you are in oversold territory for a prolonged period of time, you are probably just bottoming out. You're probably starting your reversal process. That is what we got going on right over here. And then you had something like Apple. Apple could have died, but again, you just had your breakout. So it was not likely. And then we're going to come back over here to the Mr. QQQ. Guess what? You quite literally had a very bullish structure going into this event. I shared my thoughts in yesterday's video. I've shared my thoughts in the past few videos on what we were doing. And I thought a lot of people were going to get caught off sides. I think you're now getting caught off sides. So there's that. But here on the hourly time frame, guys, you literally could see you had a break and retest off of this. You did have that little pennant there. We'll delete that just to declutter our chart. All right. But guys, you take out 444, you're going up to 445. You take 445 out, I'm going to say it's very likely we're coming all the way back up to the high of this candlestick right here, which is going to be 448.64. All right, so 448.64, that is something that I'm going to put on my chart right now, 448.64. All right, guys, so I do think we're going to be making our way up there, but no, the 0.786 fib has not been broken yet. But guess what? What happens if you put on extended hours? Oh, we broke the 0.786 fib. Guys, gap up tomorrow. All right, it doesn't have to happen, but I am just, yeah, you know what? I'll say it. I'm just putting it out there. This is not even close to a bearish setup. This wasn't a bearish setup. This was your bullish consolidation setup. Now we have the catalyst. And you have a lot of freaking people, you know, shitting their pants over here. And I'm just going to say, pardon my French. But guys, you don't crap your pants right at the bottom. If you are convicted in the thing, I'm not going to tell anybody to keep, you know, doubling down there. But I will tell you, if you are convicted in something, you know, you don't panic at the bottom. That's typically where you want to be buying more at when you see confluence going down. And that is that. All right. But coming back over here to QQQ, guys, you already have broke 445. So, you know, we could get that gap up, but I'm going to make my call right now. 448.64 is being taken out in the coming trading sessions. Not sure if it goes something like this. Boom. All right. Or if you're just going to skip all this crap and you're going to go straight up like that. And then you round off. I don't know. And then you pull back and then you go higher. No idea, but I think 450 is about to be tapped. My 450 target is finally about to be hit. Nice. Nice. Look at that. Oh no, it's dying. No, it'll just be a break and retest. And you're going to have every bear and their mother being all bearish again. And guess what? It's just going to be the retest. So yeah. All right. It could slip, but then it's probably going to recover. All right, guys. So that's really what we're looking at, guys. Above 445, you are looking for 448.64. Why? Because you're surpassing the golden pocket. You're surpassing the 0.786 fib, which suggests you are very likely going to be taking out this high. You're going to return to where we started that retracement from, this Fibonacci retracement tool. That is how I use the golden pocket. Though that's one way I use the golden pocket. I just know if sellers are going to step in, they're going to step in right here. Do you guys want to see something pretty cool? All right. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Do you see a seller stepping right there? You see seller stepping right there? Well, right when you start breaking up over there, guess what? You knew you're probably going to take out that high. All right. Speaking of which, talk about Mr. Meta. All right. I'm going to make this video a pretty quick one. I've just covered all my thoughts on the indices. There's really not much to cover. All right. I'm bullish. I don't have to sit there trying to, you know, hold down the fort for you guys anymore. All right. Now you guys see exactly what I've been trying to show you guys. I'm serious. I've been seeing it. It's not like anything changed. We've been seeing the same exact thing. I called it out the other day. You had this bullish divergence going on IWM. You also had the 4-hour RSI literally hitting like underneath 30. And then you had a quick turn right here on this candlestick right there, right at the 0.786 fib, and also right there at the bottom of your falling wedge. You know, the setup was there. And now you're seeing boom, bop, bing, boo, pow. What have you done today? You've done some crazy things, but now you're here in the golden pocket. So if sellers are going to step in, it's going to be right here. If you could take out 208, 210.50 incoming. It's actually 210.41 incoming. So that's what I'm watching. I just thought I'd throw it in for you IWM traders. You guys want to look at the Dow? Dow is doing crazy things today. Is this a bear market, guys? No, it's a raging bull market. You look for long opportunities until proven otherwise. I'm going to stick with that one. All right, so now let's talk about our little boy Apple over here. Guys, are you finally changing this weekly structure? Are you finally not going to have an indecision candlestick or a bearish candlestick here on the weekly chart? Yeah, I think you're about to. Regardless, this daily chart speaks for itself, and that's that. You come over here to Mr. Tesla. Guys, Tesla also looks like a reversal. Oh, you guys want to come over here to Mr. Goog. Goog also looks like, well, we saw the reversal pattern already form. Goog already started, all right? You come over here to Microsoft. Microsoft, is that looking bad? No, I told you guys, I think it was on this day right here. Well, guess what? I think it showed its hand over here. You broke above your consolidation pattern. Your wedge here, you held your uptrend, and boom, bop, bing, boop, pow. Now you're off the races. I do think these are going to be in play right up here. These levels, these bad boys right here. I'm over here to SMCI. Guys, you're finding buyers right here in the golden pocket. Where is the 4-hour RSI, you ask? It's in oversold territory. You also have a bullish divergence going on. 2683. 2683. You have a bullish divergence here on SMCI right at the bottom in the golden pocket. Boys and girls, ladies and gents, this thing's about to probably make a reversal. There you go. Nvidia. If you thought this thing was done, you've got it twisted. I may have that trend line looking like that, but in reality, you already got the breakout I was looking for. So I'm looking for some explosions. So there's that. But you come over here to the daily time frame, and you can literally see you are in this consolidation pattern. You're in this bull pennant, and it looks like you're just about to break out. The thing wants to snap. Wants to snap back, baby. Guess what? If this thing has its leg up, SPY and QQ are going way higher. I am just going to put it out there. SPY to 525. SPY to 530. Don't take me as a permabull. Take me as someone who, guess what? I'm just reading the charts. That's all it be. That's all it be. If this thing right here is to have this leg up, I can almost guarantee this thing right here is going to take out this high and go a lot higher. If Nvidia is at 1,000, it's going to rally the troops up. It's going to do some crazy things. Come over here. Boom. Come over here. Boom. Guys, the chips are ready to go. INTC got an $8.4 billion contract today from the government. Right here at support, there's your trade idea of the day. Well, aside from all of the other ones I just put out there. Meta. Congrats if anybody ended up taking this bad boy right here. You did end up having your breakout the other day. Did have the retest. You had another uptrend that I was watching right here, and you also ended up holding that. There's a confluence spot right there. You also held your golden pocket. So there was that going on right there. All right. But now you're here in this golden pocket, and let's just look at these daily levels. Guys, above here, above this 502.31 level, you were destined to come right up to 508.69. All right. And where did I get those levels? Here on the hourly time frame. That's what we're looking at. All right, that is going to be the low of this candlestick right here, 508.68. So I'm off by one cent there. Guess what? Above this level right here, you're watching the 0.786 fib. This thing looks explodey. This thing looks like it's about to do some things. So there's that. Come over here to Mr. Amazon. Amazon held its uptrend. Amazon just keeps looking better and better. Amazon held its golden pocket. Amazon looks like it's about to break out from this flag. Amazon looks like it's coming all the way up here to 184. All right. So that is pretty much all I got for you today. I'm going to point out some things that are heating up. You got Upstart for a big Upstart day tomorrow. What's heating down? Mr. VIX, you freaking perma bears. Mr. VIX heating down, breaking down. Breaking, I don't know. What else are we going to say? Breaking hearts. Yeah, breaking hearts. Next one we're talking about, sound. You were consolidating. You're getting ready for that move. I do think it is coming. I think you're getting to the edge. I think it's getting really tight here. And if you see Nvidia go, there's a solid shot that this thing squeezes upwards as well. Last one we're going to talk about is AI. AI did end up breaking out of the channel today. AI did have its RSI in oversold territory. AI is at the bottom of the golden pocket finding buyers. Buyers are going to step in. They're going to take out 29.34. And after that happens, it's a confirmation that you're likely start moving up to these gray levels right there. The 30.81 level, 32.19, 34.26. Those are the levels that I would be paying attention to over there. There's another trade idea for you. All right, guys. That is what I got for you today. ARM is looking immaculate. These chips are probably about to heat back up. And anybody who is, want to roast your boy at the bottom while he was hurting, shame on you. Shame on you. Just know I won't roast you ever. So that's okay. Because I don't want to see other people have their feelings hurt. I don't want other people to have to go through psychological warfare when they're trying to just do what they know is right for them by buying the crap of the dip with time. All right? I don't wish psychological warfare on anyone, but for some reason, people love to wish that on me. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't care about your psychological warfare. I'm going to keep doing me. And that's that. All right? I appreciate you guys. I love you guys as supporters. I really do appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys bring me so many smiles every single day. I love your comments so much. All right? Like, it really does warm my heart to know that I am helping people. I'm going to be straight up on that. All right? And with that being said, I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.